Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Today I'm going to talk to you about ceiling fans and grinding noises. Most common cause for ceiling fans and grinding noises is the thing being out of balance. When it's out of balance, it affects this right here, which holds your blades in place. And what happens is it twists to the side and starts rubbing on your cover plate right here on the inside. Then when you turn on your fan, it starts just going sounds horrible. Way to fix this is get up here and try to straighten it out a little bit. Maybe put a level across it, make sure it's nice and level. Try to bend it back into place. If that's not your problem, it's probably coming from your motor. Your motor over time starts to wear out, especially if you're in a damp area. Loses that lubrication, starts grinding really bad. If that's the case, you're going to have to replace that motor. If your ceiling fan is in a high moisture area, you want to make sure that you add lubrication to it once or twice a year to the bearings. This helps prolong the life of the motor and keeps that grinding noise from coming. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just discussed ceiling fans and grinding noises. Thanks for watching. Good luck with this project.